welcome back to Brick by Brick. Today we're going to be reviewing the investing potential of LEGO set 75283. This is the Armored Assault Tank. As far as minifigures goes, it's got 4 minifigures, a battle droid, the AAT driver battle droid, Shoka, and of course Shoka's clone trooper. These are all pretty cool, unique minifigures. I especially like the clone trooper figure with the orange helmet, really cool looking set. And generally battle droids and clone troopers are great additions to a LEGO Star Wars set and help increase its value because people love collecting those and making armies out of them or whatever. It's also got pretty great build. Pretty much the only build in the set is the AAT itself. The top of it, the little turret part, can swivel around. There are 2 little hatches on the set. One right here at the top to put the battle droid in, and then one in the back right here for the other battle droid to sit in. And it's also got a couple other interactive elements. It's got these 2 spring-loaded shooters right here on the front of the AAT. And it's also got some other cool pieces, this little sword piece that doubled as an antenna kind of thing. And I think it's going to be a really great investment. As of recording, you should be able to get this set on sale on Amazon. If not, there's probably other places where you can be able to get these on sale. And I think it would be a good addition to your investing portfolio. Thank you for watching.